Like everything else in our world, the job market has changed, gotten faster, smarter, and more competitive than ever before. Today, those that can design and build the future are the ones with a ticket to a lifetime of solid wages. In the next few minutes, we'll explore the training opportunities available at Gadsden State Community College. It's important to make a few things super clear. First, paying for your training will not be a problem. Scholarships, grants, and paid co-ops are plentiful. Second, many of these programs offer degrees ranging from short-term certificates up to Associate of Applied Science, industry-recognized credentials, dual enrollment, and job placement. And finally, your success is the top priority. Gadsden State staff will make sure you have access to financial assistance, student services, and solid job opportunities. Let's dive in. Meet the designers. Mechanical design. He used to be a gamer, now he designs the future. In the mechanical design program, students turn raw ideas into real-world impact. Training with CAD, 3D printers, and advanced tools to power aerospace, robotics, automotive, and more. Don't just play the game, design the future. Civil engineering technology. This civil engineer is designing the world, roads, bridges, buildings, and the water systems we all rely on. At Gadsden State, home to Alabama's only civil engineering technology program, we train future innovators with AutoCAD, surveying, and 3D modeling. In under 2 years, you'll have the skills to design your career and ensure a lifetime of solid pay. Electronics engineering technology. She knows the future runs on technology, and she's ready to design it. The Electronics Engineering program trains students to configure, program, and troubleshoot electronic systems. From biomedical to defense, electronic technicians are in demand. Power up your skills and plug into a career of your dreams. Salon and Spa Management. She's more than a stylist. She's a business-savvy leader. The Salon and Spa Management program trains students in hair, nails, skincare, and spa treatments while building real business skills. With hands-on training and industry experience, graduates leave ready to set trends, lead teams, and succeed in the salon and spa industry. Now let's meet the brains behind the machines that power the world. Precision machining. He uses the machines of industry to forge ideas into form. Armed with next-level tools, machinists turn raw materials into the high-precision parts that make up the backbone of the world around us. At Gadsden State, precision machining students are trained on everything from manual mills and lathes to the most advanced multi-axis CNC machines on the market. Industrial automation. He can program, install, maintain, and troubleshoot the systems that keep industries operating effectively. With hands-on training from programmable logic controllers and robotics to hydraulics, pneumatics, and electrical wiring, he's prepared to think fast, fix faster, and keep production moving. Mechatronics, robotics, and automation. Her job is to make the machines of industry come alive. The field of mechatronics, robotics, and automation is one of the most high-demand trades powering modern industry, and it needs people who can think fast, fix faster, and keep production moving. At Gadsden State, you'll get hands-on, real-world training that is used in modern industry. Port reporting technology. Her machine is different, and it puts her at the center of the action. With specialized tools like stenotype machines and advanced software, court reporters transcribe every word from criminal trials to high-stake personal lawsuits. Think closed captions during breaking news or instant transcripts in high-profile trials. It's a skill needed in every state, and Gadsden State is one of the only training facilities in the Southeast. We've met the students that will design our future and the experts behind the machines. Now let's meet the builders. Construction technology. He's learning far beyond just textbooks and tests. He's on a hands-on journey into one of today's most in-demand fields. In the construction technology program, students learn carpentry, site planning, project management, and sustainable building. Construction careers are leveling up and demand is skyrocketing. Welding. She is a master of more than fire and metal. With precision, power, and purpose, she is a welder. The muscle behind the machines, the backbone of construction, the force in everything from skyscrapers to pipelines. The economy is changing, and for those that master the flame, the future is bright. Electrical technology. From large-scale electrical grids to to sophisticated control systems, he is the expert that makes it all work. Electrical technology students gain the skills to build, troubleshoot, and optimize the power systems that keep the world going. Opportunities in residential, commercial, and industrial electrical fields are just the beginning. Upon graduation, you will not only be entering the workforce, you'll be shaping it. Air conditioning and refrigeration. As an air conditioning and refrigeration pro, he is one of the heroes of the industry, often referred to in industry as HVACR, or heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration. These experts are part engineer and part detective, always in demand. With the right credentials and experience, you can enjoy job security, great pay, career growth, and the chance to work in all kinds of settings. This next set of experts are the ones that keep industry rolling. From diesel trucks to automobiles, they can fix what's under the hood and keep the exterior looking top grade. Diesel technology. The trucks, bulldozers, generators, and farm equipment found in American industry rely on this guy and his next level skills. With state-of-the-art diagnostic tools in hand, students tear down engines, troubleshoot electrical systems, and rebuild transmissions. It's part mechanic, part engineer, and all about mastering the machines that run the world. Automotive services technology. Cars don't fix themselves. It takes this guy's brains, grit, and hands-on skill he can only earn in the garage. In the automotive service technology program, students learn to tear down engines, rebuild transmissions, diagnose electrical systems, and bring modern vehicles back to peak performance. In a world full of machines, skilled technicians will always be in the driver's seat. Auto collision repair. Wrecked steel and shattered glass looks like a loss to most people, but she sees potential. With skill, muscle, and precision, auto collision repair students dive into metalwork, estimating, and even the advanced repair of modern high-strength steel, aluminum, and carbon fiber vehicles. When you graduate, you'll be ready to go to work reshaping what's been broken and giving it brand new life. There you have it, the designers, builders, and experts that are on the cutting edge of the new economy. Before we go, let's look at 3 programs that can help you save money, get trained, and enter the workforce faster and without student debt. Dual enrollment. She's still in high school, but ready to level up. Thanks to the hands-on, real-world experience she's gaining in her career tech courses, she's fast on her way to a well-paid career in manufacturing, industry, or business. And by getting a jump start on her training while she's still in high school, she's already earning college credit, saving time, money, and getting ahead of the game. Comet. Some high school graduates go straight to work. Some go to college. This Comet student is doing both. Comet stands for Consortium of Machining Education Training. 2 days a week, Comet students are in class building their knowledge. The other 3 days, they are on the job, earning while they learn. As a Comet student, you'll become a highly trained precision machinist in less than 2 years. After Comet, you'll be trained, in demand, and ready to earn serious money for a lifetime. This FAME student is a multi-craft technician trained in the art of industrial automation. FAME stands for Federation for Advanced Manufacturing Education. Members of the FAME programs go to school 2 days a week. 3 days a week, they work with an industry partner while earning a paycheck. Graduates of the program become industrial automation experts who can program, install, maintain, and troubleshoot the systems that keep industries moving. From precision machinist to salon and spa specialist, and from diesel technicians to civil engineers, these are the careers that are both in demand and highly profitable. So what are the next steps? Take a deeper dive. Visit gadstenstate.edu and click on technical programs. Learn about and watch videos on the programs that match your goals. Talk to a career tech advisor. They know the programs inside and out and can help you match your skills and interests to pick your perfect path. Plan a visit. Go to gadstenstate.edu/visit.cms and schedule a personalized tour. The world isn't slowing down, and neither should you. At Gadsden State, you'll gain the hands-on skills to build your future and keep our industries moving. The experts who make the world work start at Gadsden State.